So what we were doing the high availability in Fortigate, all right? Okay, on. So we have here inside network, and this is our outside network. And this is site one and site two. One has one firewall and site two has another firewall, right? So we set the we can set the priority here and here, 150. So this is our master firewall and this is our slave firewall. So once we configure this firewall and we enable the high availability in this firewall, and if this firewall goes down, automatically all the configuration will be shifted to this firewall. Okay. So we are just testing this, turning on the devices. Okay. So this is and this is the management PC.
Hello, sir. Okay.
Sorry.
I just checked my audio, sir. Hello, sir. This
Yeah.
one. You hear
Yeah.
me? Okay.
Yeah.
Meaning, sir, it's configured yesterday, right? By Rodrick. It's
Yeah.
recorded. Okay, sir.
No, I'm just reconfiguring it once again.
Okay, sir. Yes. It's better.
Okay. Okay. So this is the admin at 123, admin at 123. Right. So we'll just configure the master firewall first, right? Show system interface. So the IP address is 10.10.4.36 here. Then 10.4.236. So we'll just begin the configuration here. We will provide the host name first. Okay, so we'll just set this as a primary firewall. Okay, okay, and we'll just check here. Show IP. So this is 14.35, and then begin. We'll just rename this. Let's add secondary firewall. Click OK. Okay. First, okay, so we'll configure this primary firewall. So we go to network here. So these two interfaces great for the DHCP. Okay. This is will configure it will be like same IP address. Okay, so we're everything else 200 on layer, right? So here we'll do the interfaces and go to edit. So this is our inside network. This is the LAN address. Okay, and so just enable the DHCP here. Create address object matching subnet.
Sir, I have one question in the HCP, sir. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If we choose the DHCP, no, do we have to what you call this one? Do we have to input the network address?
Yeah, that's that option I'm looking for actually.
Okay.
So what we'll do here, we'll just add the manual IP. Let's see. So instead of DHCP, I'll just add the manual IP only. Later we can actually, it's 10.2.200.10, 10.200.10 dot 10.200.200.10 slash 24. Okay, so we'll enable HTTPS thing in click OK here. Okay, so we'll just go back here to and we'll do edit. So if we here we need to enable the DHCP server. So here we can actually provide the range here 10.202.2 to 10.200.254. Okay, so here we can, this is the only address range we want. All right, so this will be the subnet mask. So we'll just enable the DHCP. Then here what happens? Okay, click on OK here. And we configure the port edit here. So this is the IP we are using. So we'll use the same IP address here. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 2, Wi-Fi 0, manual. Okay, and click OK. Okay. Okay, so we have enable static here. All right, so next thing we will configure the DNS here. So we will specify the DNS server that is 8.8.8, and here 4 and apply, and we add the static route that is default route here, and here the gateway we take it 250 I think, right? So we go here, showing here in the gateway, I think it's 250 only. So it will be 10, 10, 250, 250. It will take put one automatically here. We'll click OK. All right. So next thing is we will configure the policy. I'll create a new policy here. So this is inside to outside. The incoming interface is our port 2. Inside, outgoing interface is port 1. Okay. We'll allow all the services, all the source, and all the destinations, and all the services. Okay. And session. All sessions, and click OK. So if you see our topology here, so HA1 and HA are not having any IP addresses, right? So we will just configure the hierarchy now. So we go to system here, HA. Okay. So here we'll select the mode active passive. You can configure two modes. One is active active and one is active passive. So right now we are doing active passive. So priority, this is master firewall. So we keep it as 100. And root name we can give here HAFD. I can give here and change. We'll just add the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is R3, 4. Okay, so these are 3 and 4. And priority will set to port 3 and port 4 both. Okay. Monitoring interface would be port 1, I think. So this one we have to keep port 1. Monitoring interface is port 1. Okay, and the interface which is going to actually learn about the from the port 3 and port 4. So we'll just add here 512, port 3 as priority to exchange the information. Okay, 512, and everything else will keep default. All right.
Okay.
And we'll click OK. All right, so you can see here it's synchronized priority 100. This is our primary firewall, and this is the serial number, and role is primary. uptime is 60 minutes firewall. Now we'll go to our secondary firewall, okay? And we will just configure the HA here, okay? We will not do any kind of configuration. The configuration uh, should be gone through the first firewall, right? Automatically when the first firewall is down, all right? So we will, it has to learn about the primary firewall when we configure the HA, okay? Admin, admin, add 1, 2, 3. Admin, click OK here. And we'll directly go to, what we'll do here, we'll just go to networks first and for the port 1, that's all, okay? We'll just make it static. So we'll just make it static here. So we will not configure anything. We have to do the similar configuration what we did in primary firewall, right? So we have to select your active passive. Priority will just give 50 here. We have to give the same HAFG and password we have to give same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we should enable. Okay, and the learning ports are the port 3 and the port 4, and this is a prior. This is a priority interface fighter. Okay, and we'll just click on. So we'll just go to the monitoring page and check, I mean, if it will take some time. I think it's taking time to learn. This is the same way it is worked, or how
Yes,
exactly it is?
you lose it. You will lose it because
Okay.
it will take the same IP address
Mhm.
to the interface.
I think we lost it, so let's see.
You can check the IP address. The IP address will be changed.
Okay, so we lost it actually. So this one will be running. Yeah, this one will be running. Primary firewall will be running. But we lost this firewall, right? So is it changed here? The IP address is changed? Yeah, I think. The secondary succeed to sync external files with primary. The secondary configuration is not in sync with primary sequence 0. So I think it's trying to sync, okay? Let's see. It'll take some time, maybe. When I get the page. You go to master. Admin, add 1, 2, 3. Show system HA. And yes, show system HA. So we have a group name HAFG, priority set to 100, override is disabled right now. Okay. So if we go here, so let's log out all admin users, starts to sync with primary. Admin 4, admin at 1, 2, 3. Okay, show system interface. Okay, the IP address is changed.
I think, sir, we
That
made it
is what I
DHCP.
was telling you. The IP, once
Oh,
finish the
okay.
configuration, you will notice that the
Okay.
IP
So
address has
now,
changed.
if I refresh this, okay. So what we have, yeah, you can see here now. Primary firewall is learned about the secondary firewall here,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Of this firewall. Okay. So what I will do here, execute, shut down. Okay. So when I shut down this firewall, then it
Firewall of the
should come up
primary,
out.
sir.
Yeah. This is come up. This should come up, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I get. You make Maria.
So only the primary firewall is running. So Okay, so now we have got the login over here. Okay,
That's
so if I log in here, admin at 123. Okay, because the primary firewall is down. Okay, and if we go to the network here, network interfaces, so you can see everything is copied here. The inside IP is copied, and the port route here,
Oh.
you can see the route here.
How about the policy we made for the primary?
Yeah,
Sir?
yeah. If you go to policy here, policy and objects, firewall policy, the firewall policy also is there.
Yes.
Okay.
So meaning, sir, no,
Yeah.
if the management firewall is up,
Mhm.
the secondary is down, right?
Right.
So
But okay.
when the managements go up, the secondary will go down automatic.
Yes, yes.
Is it?
So if I go to dashboard here, go to dashboard, network. Have any widget here related to the high availability? No. Maybe we can add here HA. Not showing it. I think it's already there because I'll just check here. Okay, so we have the HA status. Let's add this feature. So you can see here, this is in secondary. Now, if I turn off this firewall, it should go back to the firewall one, the primary firewall, if this is down. Okay, but we have to turn on that firewall also first. Okay. So when I turn on, let's turn on this firewall first. Okay, so we'll turn on both the firewalls. So when I turn on, it should show both the firewalls here, primary and secondary. So now you can see that the primary. Okay, so let's turn off the firewall. Okay, I'll just stop this. So it went off, right? So if I go back to admin here, admin at 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Roll one. Clear, right? Or any doubts here for IoT configurations? Roderick is already done, all right?
No.
Wilbert, I mean, you are actually far behind,
Yes,
right?
sir.
I don't know, I mean, how you actually cover up everything. Okay.
No, sir. I'm collecting the video and then I do it.
Okay, but when you
I
will
do it
do it,
myself.
when you will do it.
Days, maybe the other day. I have some things important, sir. But
Okay.
I get the, I don't know, sir.
Okay.
How many meetings do we have, sir?
Well,
Left.
see, today we configured the hierarchy. Now, next we are moving to security profiles. Okay. So after security profiles, maybe I'll check. I mean, if I can actually do SD-WAN configuration. And once we have done with that, then I mean, I think everything is over.
Yes, sir.
So next,
All the video
next,
is up.
yeah, next we will be learning this, right? That is how we can actually filter the traffic. Okay, how we can actually block the traffic, allow and deny. So we'll be learning all this thing. All right. Right. But
Yes, sir.
Roderick, so we connect then next Saturday, Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Fortigate,
Okay,
right?
sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.